So hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me right there on the screen. One of my better days. Anyway, if you are new, allow me to say welcome. Hello. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Now, if you see an intro like this, there's usually a reason, and it's most likely because I've lost my footage, and that is exactly what happened in this video. I'll tell you, YouTube could not have picked a worse video to randomly delete for no reason, because not only is it one of my favorite subscriptions, but it has set me back with all my other unboxings for Eyescream Beauty. And that is what we have in this video. So if you want to see what I'm giving away as I do my monthly giveaway, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, so yes, as I stated probably in my intro, I don't know because of course I haven't made it yet, I recorded this video already, and during editing it did not download or upload, whatever it's called, to my editing app, so I lost the footage. But I will tell you that we are doing Eyescream Beauty, as you can see by the thumbnail course. And we have the box, which is $25 plus tax, shipping is free. And we have the bag that equals $16.50. That is $12.50 for the bag and $4 for shipping, okay? Now, and guys, I always forget to tell you that I have a code. I will put it here on the screen. It will save you on your first box, bag, and also in the shop, okay? I will tell you that I did use some of the products in this box, okay? And let me remind everyone, if you are new here, my name is Stephanie. I promise that is me behind the camera. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm right in the middle of doing a different video, and oh my gosh, yeah, it's a mess, and I'm not all the way done yet. So I wanted to get this video up. We will go over it like this. I can tell you my thoughts. We do have a card. I really do like the card, and it does have the prices, so that's always good. Now, let's just run down the products really quickly, and I will show them to you. Right here, we have the Duce, however you say that, the Max Lash Volumizer Mascara for $24. And it does come in bubble wrap like this right here. Now guys, I didn't open this because I didn't want to start yet another mascara, because you know what happens, TikTok starts to clock. Their products are good. They're a little bit pricey, but they're good. So that is the mascara, okay? Now, I did have the opportunity to try this, believe it or not. Yes, that's right, highlighter, which I'm not a highlighter person, but it was just so pretty I had to. And this is the Babe Beauty, the liquid highlighting drops. Now guys, this is so pretty. Check this out. The component itself is very, very pretty. Now this is $35, okay? Now see, there it is there. You just give it a little shake, and there's the component. It has a little squeezy thing here. Now I will show you what it looks like. There it is. I mean, listen, I patted that out and it's already dry. It only took a very few seconds. If this is too blinding for you, you can absolutely shear it down, because I did it. And I can attest to the fact, honestly guys, you don't need a lot, just the ittiest bittiest drop, and you just pat it out, and there you have it. It did not lift up my foundation or anything. I did my base makeup and then I put this on over it, and it was very, very nice, I must say. And I'm not a highlighter person, so for me to like it, that has to say something. So again, this is $35. This is something I did use as well, and this is the Cheeky Rose Beauty, okay? And it is the Kabuki brush, okay? It says it right here on the bottom. Now, I will tell you that I like this a lot. As you can see, I do have some foundation on there with my powder. I did go over my face with my powder, and after I was all done, before I put on my blush, I went ahead and I buffed this in. And let me tell you, I do like this point. It really did like give me that airbrushed finish look. I just buffed everything in. This is worth $42. Not kidding. See it right there? $42. And I believe it, because first of all, you have a lot of bristles. There's a lot of work that goes into getting bristles to stay into a mechanism like this. I do like it. You can hold it like this and get up into the corners, which is what I did. Or you can hold it like this when you're going over large surfaces. I would not pay $42, but we get it in the subscription box, so yay for that, okay? So there you have that. That is the third item. Now, this is the Day and Night Lip Liner Duo from Bella, okay? This is the shade I would have used had I used the purple eyeshadow palette, but I did not. I used the other one. And this is in the shade Very Sexy and Only Yours. These are the two. So these are considered one item. So I believe it's a duo. It probably costs $7 for the both of them. So there you have that, okay? Then the fifth and final item, which is not one item, it is two. And if you've been with me for a minute, you know that I have talked about the Oaklyn brand quite a bit on this channel. These are pastel palettes, okay? I will tell you, pastels, they're not the color story that I reach for a ton, you know, but I did use this palette. Now I'm going to swatch this one out. This one I did not use yet, but you know, purple's my thing. I almost went with the purple, but I'm like, oh, you know what? I always use purple, so let me do something different. Now I will show you the color story. The name of it is Sweet, and the other one here is Lavender, okay? So let me show you. This is the palette that I did use in my look. I apologize that I don't have it on camera. I can't believe that footage got. But let me move the box out of the way so I can go ahead and show you these. Now, they do not have the shade names on them, but I swatched from here over 3, 3, and 3, okay? So we have the first shade. This shade right here is more of like a peachy pink, more of a fleshy toned. Then, of course, you have the pretty pink shimmer. And then you have another one. It's more like a champagne. And then, of course, you have the more purpley pastel right here, starting on the second row. Right there, okay? And you can see there is a little bit of kick up in the pan. Oaklyn shadows, I have been talking about them a lot on my channel. I think they perform really well. I never had an issue. Now, again, for what this palette is, it's really good, okay? That middle shade right there is like a duochrome. I don't know if you can see that. It has like a dark pink cranberry, and then it shifts to like a golden color, if you can see it there, okay? And here it is on the skin right there, okay? Then you have the green, which is right here, okay? And there it is right there. Now, only one dip, guys, one dip. There's different formulas in here. This one right here, which is right there, that color right there, that is like a putty almost. It kind of feels wet and creamy, but it like you can see the indentation here when I hold it up. See how it's like indented? Okay. And these are different formulas as well, right here. And then we have, of course, like I said, that pretty green. Now, it's like a greeny, I don't know, yellowish lime green type thing. And there it is right there, okay? I did go in twice because that one is super light and you can absolutely see it. And then we have the next to the last, which is almost similar to this one right here, except this one right here has more of a pink on it. It's more of a pinky color, as you can see right here. Whereas this is more like a flesh tone. And then, of course, the darkest shade in the palette, which is this one right here. And there, that is right there. And again, guys, one dip, okay? Only one. So, I mean, there's the palette swatched out in its entirety. I will go ahead and go like this. Very, very pretty, okay? I have never had any problems with Oaklyn shadows. There is a little bit of kick up, but again, for what it is, for a pastel palette, I think it's a really good one. I mean, it's not something I would reach for. It's just personal preference. That's really all it is. So we do have the lavender palette, which is the second palette that comes in. So you don't just get one palette, you get both. And I did remove the little sticky thing. See here where it has that little adhesive, which I love. Again, I'm always losing the covers to the shadows. Now, I did not use this in a look, but I will tell you, there she is. Let me take her out of the light. Look how very pretty that is. Very interested in seeing what happens to this when you swirl it around. But it is a very pretty palette. And again, this is the lavender palette, okay? So there you have it. That is the box for the month of June. Okay, let's move on to the bag. Somewhere in here, I will leave the retail value of the box. Probably right about here. And then we have the bag. I did not use anything in here, guys, because I was focused on the box, but I will tell you that I'm very excited to see this. Now I will tell you why. Okay, so it always has a card. June Eyescream Beauty bag always has the prices, of course, and again, this is $12.50 with $4 shipping. It equals $16.50, okay? So the first item is the Bella Pierre Pro Blush Palette right here. Very pricey brand. It is known to be in a lot of like Nordstrom's, etc. So here it is, okay, and this is what the blush looks like. Now, It is more, I want to say, of a kind of terracotta, almost like the color, almost, on that Cult Beauty calendar right there. What I would do, I would run my brush all over all of these, kind of mix them together, because that one at the end is a little too dark, this one is a little too light, but mix them all together and you probably have the perfect shade. So I'm excited to try that. That is 4 shades in one, and that is valued at $25, okay? Then we have Beauty Creations. Now this is very, very cute. I am kind of excited to try this. It does come in a little thing. It looks like it has like a little thing you can hang it, but actually that is to pull it out. This is a set, okay? This is from Beauty Creations. It is the Bomb AF Dare to Be Bright lip set. I need to swatch these because I have to see. I have not yet done that, and I want to do it now. Boy, I'm dropping everything. When am I not dropping everything, guys? Just because I'm not in front of the camera doesn't mean I don't drop everything. I still do. Okay, so let's swatch these and see what they're like. Okay, I see what this is. Now, I have the Light Show on, which is this one right here. Okay, this is Light Show, and there is the swatches. Okay, it's a gloss. Now, this one is sugar-free, and that is the color. So it is a set. You see what I'm saying? You put on the lip cream, and then you go over it with the gloss. When I put this one on my hand, the first one, I was like, oh, it's a gloss. So I went ahead and I tried it, and I do have that on right now. And I can tell you, it is thick, but it's not sticky. So, you know, I'm all right with it as long as it's not sticky. I don't think it's going to gunk up. I mean, you know, I've had it on for maybe 5 minutes, and it's pretty much dried down as much as it's going to be. It's not transfer proof, I know that. But I have not tried this on, and I will use that in a look. I like that color. Maybe in the center of something. So there you have that. That is valued at $12 for the 2. So 6 each. Again, counting as one item, okay? So we will stick that over here, all right? Along with the blush. Okie dokie. And then the last item is, this is from Trend Beauty, which is a brand I have not heard of, and I'm excited to try. It's the Glam Babe eyeshadow palette. Let's see here on the back. It just says the ingredients. It is cruelty-free, recyclable, and it is good up to 24 months. So that's cool. We, of course, are having a giveaway in this video as well. So stay tuned, okay? Here is this one. Now, it does come with a protector, okay? I've not heard of this brand because I like anything sparkly and shimmery. Y'all know that. And I like me a good matte, too. So this has both. Okay, so yeah, well, I would peg this as maybe a fall palette, but you know what? You can wear a palette whenever your little heart desires. Now, it is showing up a little bit more, I want to say vibrant on camera. They're not as bright, like as for instance, this color right here is not as like bright pink as it's appearing. It's more of a darker plum. The names are on there, so that's good. And then you have some depth in there. I like it. Let's recap. You have the Trend Mood Glam Babe palette for $13. You have the Beauty Creations kit, which comes with 2. We have a lippy and a gloss. That is at $12. And then, of course, you have the Bella Pierre. There are 4 shades in here for blush for $25. Okay, so there you have that. Somewhere on the screen, there will be a total of everything. Okay, so what are we giving away in this video? It is very simple. It is the entire box, because I am sent this box in PR. This is how, guys, I'm able to do a giveaway every month, is because not only do I get this box sent to me in PR, but I also do purchase a subscription myself as well, okay? So that is it right there. And what do I think of the box, guys? As a whole, I do like it. Now, again, I am not the biggest fan of pastels. I like mid to darker toned shadows. I'm not too much of a pastel person, but it is nice to have this in my collection. And I do like Oakland shadows very, very much. So I think the box was a definite hit. It has a nice balance. You know, there's a lippy and mascara. There's everything here you need to, once again, create a look. And guys, this box is a makeup box. There's not a ton of skincare ever. What must you do to enter this giveaway? You must be publicly subscribed. And by that, I mean you must be subscribed to the channel, and you must be on public. It must be visible to me to see myself in all the people that you are subscribed to. I must see my face there. That's how I check to verify that you are in fact subscribed. You must be 18 years or older. YouTube is not responsible for this giveaway. I am. I purchased my box on my own, which is how I'm able to do the giveaway. Neither is Eyescream Beauty. In this giveaway, what I need you to do is I need you to go back to my Ipsy Open Studio video, what you're going to write down there is you're going to tell me what is the one product out of my Ipsy Open Studio that I cannot get use of and will not be trying on camera. You just have to tell me down below in the comment section, and that will be considered your entry. It's very simple. All you have to do is go watch the video and you will be able to see. I hold the product up and I tell you that I will not be able to get use from that product. So what you will have to do is you will have to tell me what is that product down in this comment section here, and that will be considered your entry. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna need you to do. I know it's a little different, but you know, there's reasons. Okay, so please, if you would be so kind as to do that. Now, this is going to be open for United States only, guys, because Eyescream Beauty is shipping. When I start to ship my own box, I can open it international, but because they're shipping it and they are paying for it, I am going to keep this one in the United States. Okay, plus I have other ones that are still open international, and I have a few more that are coming, so stay tuned for those. Again, you must have a US shipping address and comment that I'm looking for. We're not even doing it by words, we are doing it by the comment. The comment I'm looking for is, what is the product that I am not able to use out of my Ipsy Glam Bag Studios video? I do say it. I will link that video in the description box. If you are not aware of it, just click on that. It will take you over to that video. Please watch it and then come back here and enter that down below. That will be considered as your entry. Hey guys, Editing Steph here. So listen, for this giveaway, the winner will be picked when I open the August subscription, because you are about to see July's box unboxed as well. So I will be calling 2 winners in August. That will be for June and July. The May box that is up before this one that I had to re-upload will be announced in, I want to say, like 10 days or so, just in a random video. You know how I do it. Okay, so just letting you know. Now back to the video. As always, please like this video if you could. It would help your girl out. Give it a thumbs up. And yeah, if you have not yet already, hit that little button down here. Become part of the family. I would love to have you. I really would. I will leave all the rules down below in the description box. Please read them, guys. And again, I will link the video that you must watch to get your answer for this giveaway down below. I just want to say thank you for hanging in there with me. I apologize for not having a proper intro and doing my, videos the way I normally do. And yes, I just want to say, listen, if you're going through something, please talk about it, share about it. Don't hold it in or wish it away, because, it's been my experience that does not happen. It will just fester and get worse. And also, if you are asked, hey, you got a minute to talk, please say yes, because you could absolutely help somebody with just that little gesture. As I always say in all my videos, please, guys, in this crazy mixed up world, and boy is it oh so crazy, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya.